Welcome back, VST here, and today guys, I got something sent to me by Acefast, and this time it's the Crystal T8 earbuds. I've been working with Acefast for a long time, guys. They've been sending to me stuff like also the Crystal T6, which I reviewed on the channel, also some very nice gang chargers and etc. Very nice headphones, guys, for a very competitive price. This was the first one that I got, the Crystal T6, guys, and now I have in my hands the latest model, the Crystal T8. So this retailed 100 USD. Now you can get it for 60 USD, guys. It has a lot of features, so I'm now going to do an unbox video, also test it, guys, and provide my feedback to you. We have Bluetooth 5.3 here. We have the LED stereoscopic digital display, which is this display here, guys. There are also some very nice things inside, like a silicone protective case, effectively attenuate environmental noise, accurately pick up call sound and make the call clearer. So there are really some nice stuff, guys. There is also a silicone case included, which is quite nice, and the headphones support SBC and AAC codecs, guys. Waterproof rating IPX4, alright, is very important. The headset battery is 45 mAh, which should really get you some hours of play. About 7 hours headset working time. Only 47 grams, should be very light in your head. And the unboxing experience from the Acefast Crystal T8 is really phenomenal, guys. This part of the packaging is gone. We now have here the case. Okay, inside, let's just first open the product, guys. Inside this box we have the silicone storage box, the silicone protective case, and the silicone lanyard, guys. So yeah, let me just show this to you. Acefast are really upping up their game, because last time we only had here this silicone protective case. Now you are also getting this crazy lanyard, so you can apparently hook up this to your silicone protective case and then wear your inbox. And guys, see, what was the last time, guys, you seen the storage box for the ear tips to come in something like this size here? Very nice design, and of course stamped with the Acefast logo. So remember, also on the lane, guys, we have the Acefast logo. Well, this looks very good. And this is here the silicone protective case, which is green, like jade green, like my Xiaomi color, and it looks also very premium. Now let's see the headphones. Acefast Explore the Future, guys. We have the product here, but before going to the product, we also have this very nice booklet. Future of Sound, Listen, Future of Power Watch. I can tell you, guys, Acefast are not kidding. Fast charging power banks, sparkling serious charger. This one is dope, by the way. I'm using already a gun charger from Acefast, and yeah, I can tell you, guys, it's really very cool. It does also have an HDMI port, and of course here the headsets, the Crystal series. But okay, now let's review the headphones themselves. So unveiling for the first time, guys. Wow. It really looks like a product from the future, guys, and I know this resembles the Nothing Ear One phones, but it's also a bit different, because, guys, see here, you can just take the headphones directly out of the case, put it back, it snaps back with a magnet, and yeah, you can use this case to charge it. So USB-C here, very cool. The design is really very cool, guys. Let's remove the protections here. So removed. Oh, wow. See, the left one already connected, guys, 89% of the power. Now let me also try to remove this one as well. Boom. Also the right one connected. Well, you know what? You are not getting these fancy features on the Nothing Ear One phones. So this looks very dope. Oh, wow. And it also illuminates, guys. Let me just try this one more time. See, there is this nice illumination here, so imagine how this will glow in the dark. You know what? Let's check it. I need to check this in the dark. This is absolutely amazing. Oh my god, I really love it. I love it so much that I'm gonna probably do the thumbnail just from here, guys. I was not aware that they have this nice effect. Wow, so there is this glowing light. It looks absolutely phenomenal. Yeah, one more time, remove them from the charger and from the case, and you get this very nice glowing effect. Okay, can you see from here? Very good job, Acefast. This is probably one of the coolest tech products that I'm reviewing since a while. Let's now check how the silicone case will work. So we need to just align the USB-C port at the bottom, guys, and apply it. Here it is, okay. So now you have this very cool, nice design and also protection for your case. You can still get the headphones out of it. And it was, this is really crazy. This glow is so amazing. I was not aware that they had this feature. And remember guys, you can also use this lane here. So you can just put it there. Okay, and I'm not sure how this works. Maybe like this. Boom. Okay, yep. Now you can put this and wear it. This is really trendy. But okay, guys, let me now connect them, test them, also wear them for a while, and just give you also my full review on this headset. So here we are with the Acefast T8 guys, and it's time for my full review. For me the best feature is of course the design, because I can just not really take my eyes off this design, specifically this glowing part. I think this is really genius. But guys, they do have Bluetooth 5.3, they have 10mm drivers, and they support the standard SBC and AAC audio codecs. So battery life should be 30 hours with the charging case. And also guys, if you use them outside, IPX4 splash resistant. So guys, you can also get those in blue, in black and white, but the green one really are crazy. But again, memorize there are 6 available colors guys. And yeah, if you just get the green one, this is what you're gonna experience. I really love the design. It's transparent, of course it reminds ourselves of the Nothing Ear one, but it's so much improved. And also I like the fact that you don't really have to open something guys, just this goes like this inside and that's it, and boom. You know, you don't have to open, close it. The box is not big. In fact, let's just try to compare it with the Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro guys, and you can just see it's, yeah, definitely thinner and a bit wider, right? But what I'm saying is you don't have to open, close every time, right, guys? This is what I like. You just take it off, boom. And of course you can wear the protection, and you can also wear them around your neck. So design wise, we can clearly see the inspiration from Nothing Ear one, but in the end of the day guys, this is also a product on its own. All right, 47 grams. Let's begin to test it. Okay guys, I just put my finger on both headphones and I've heard pairing mode, which means that I can now initiate the pairing. Acefast Crystal 2, you can just see them T8. Do you want to pair them? Yes, I do. So something guys you need to understand, there is no dedicated application, so you don't need to download anything from the store. And that's good and bad. Good because it's very easy, you can connect them to all of your phones that I have, and bad because apparently you don't get these very nice fine tunings and settings that you usually get, but you can use third-party apps, or let's say the phone's equalizer system. They have 10mm drivers guys, also an aluminum moving coil and a 6mm dome tweeters guys. And you know, I like the fact that when I put them inside, I'm almost really not able to hear my voice so loudly. So they don't have active noise cancellation, only ENC, but they really have a very nice fit, and I'm going to show you later how these fit in my ears. A double tap will play the song or stop the song, so we can do this on the left or on the right, and a single tap on the right guys will get the volume up. A single tap on the left will bring the volume down. So this works quite nice, I would say. Let's try now a triple tap. 1, 2, 3. This should restart us. Okay, restarted the song, quite nice. Now let's do a triple tap on the right one. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, and we are moving now to the next song. You need just to tap on this area here and here. This implementation pretty much works. Now again, remember, they don't come with a specific app, so it means you cannot really try to reset this or remap it. But the touch controls are there and they work. The only thing that I would like to have is just like gliding here on the stems to control the volume, which I only had on the Nothing Ear one, and it's the same with all the other headphones, guys. It's a bummer, but touch controls are here. And now, guys, let's move to probably the most important part, which is really how they fit in my ear. What is the performance and what is the sound quality? Because when you buy headphones, of course, you buy them to listen to sound. So apparently sound quality is something very important. The fit of the Acefast T8 Crystal Buds, guys, is, I would say, quite nice. While wearing them, I don't have a feeling that they will really fall off easily from my head, which means that they will be good for your sport activities. Also remember, they have IPX4. So the fit is nice. And also, guys, remember, you have all these different tips that you can put in, and of course try to get better sealing, because remember, they don't have active noise cancellation, but the seal that I'm using right now, just with this and with the electronic noise cancellation, is quite nice. Now let's speak about the sound, guys. Listening to music, guys, different styles. The bass is really very well pronounced, but the mids and highs are a bit weird, and I just understood that I need a bit more time to adjust it. Now there is something very good with this sound, and the sound profile is actually very flat, which means you can use a third-party EQ, in my case the Samsung EQ, to try to further tune the sound. So don't expect you're not going to be blown away with the sound quality, but the sound quality is, I would say, better than average. With a nice fit, with a nice design, and the overall pleasant sound, I think they will make a good pair of headphones. So I'm checking the audio latency from what I hear in my headphones to what I say in the videos, and I can tell you it's really on par with what I experienced with any other brand of headphones, which is not that bad. Let's speak about battery and charging, guys. If you are a fan of the wireless charging, then you should know wireless charging is not present, but overall battery endurance is very, very good, guys. And once you charge those babies, you can really get a full day of music, full day, 6 to 7 hours, and yeah, just 30 hours standby while using the case. Let's check how they charge while using a cable. I really love it, guys. While connected to the cable, you can just see the individual battery level of the right or the left headset, and guys, also you can just see how cool the whole charging experience is. Not only you get an indication of how much battery the case has, but also remember you're getting this fancy animation. My overall experience with the Acefast T80 is actually very good, guys, and remember, for me the most premium feature of this is really the design. So if you like something like this, glow in the night, cool design with magnetic stripes and etc., that's your product. The sound, I would say, is average and probably a bit beyond average, but guys, you're not buying them only for sound quality, so you're not gonna get things like multi-point, like active noise cancellation, but you can use third-party or your phone's equalizer to just try to pick up the sound profile, which is a bit flat, and I would say you're just gonna get some very nice and acceptable sound. So overall, that's another great product from Acefast, guys, and yeah, if you like videos like this, don't forget to sub. Guys, stay safe, VST over and bye.